Hey everyone, I'm Patrick. Welcome to Reverend Fat's Brews and Tech. Today's going to be a double unboxing. Both are very quick. And also I'm featuring Tyrannicide by 14 Canons. We'll start with the brew. Tyrannicide is an IPA, which is what I mostly will be drinking. It's got a 7.5 ABV and 53 IBUs. Something I've been drinking for quite a while. Total Wine has a great deal on it here in Southern California. It's like 10 bucks for a 4-pack, and you can't beat that. So let's open it up. And the two products being unboxed today, one is the Ekuanot, I don't know how to pronounce that properly, but that's what I'm going to say. AU100R, which is this lapel microphone I've got here, and the other one is the Microsoft Pro IntelliMouse Special Edition. So I love the floral notes of the Tyrannicide. Strong but not overly powerful, well balanced, and very enjoyable. If you're ever in the Westlake Agora, California area, you should definitely stop into their facility. It's a pretty cool brewery, really cool story on at least the Tyrannicide. I'm sure they've got good stories on their other beers too. Yeah, very cool, great beer. And so now we'll get on with unboxing our two products. Thanks. Okay, so this should be real quick. Microsoft Pro IntelliMouse Special Edition. Outside packaging, sorry I forgot to mention that. Well done, basic, nice. Again, as I mentioned with the lapel mic that I'm wearing, that box had no tape. This one does. I cut it even though I didn't have to. Microsoft kindly gives you a little pull tab, but then that kind of rips the box, and I'm weird about boxes. Let's open it up. So, looks very nice, very clean inside. Pops right out. Nothing more to it. I don't. Yeah, they're obligatory legalese and all that stuff. Comes wrapped with a clear plastic band. I like the braided cable. It's nice. Braided cable is nice. Feels like a classic Microsoft mouse, which I've missed. I haven't used one for a long time. All right, that's it for the unboxing of this mouse. I will plug it in and make sure it works, but I think the review is going to be that it is what it is. All right, thank you. So it's kind of what we're all here for, right? Nice presentation, and there it goes. Let's try that again. All right, take another swig. Make a mess.